for Audi, drive so smooth, feels like flying low. Your wallet cries, but your ego says go. B is for BMW, blinkers optional, attitude included. Speed first, moves politely excluded. C is for car, takes you places, sometimes to snacks. Also your personal concert on wheels. D is for Dodge, looks tough, sounds louder than your problems. Fuel disappears faster than your salary. E is for electric scooter, silent but deadly to pedestrians, guard it more than your phone. F is for Ford, built strong, runs long, sometimes starts, sometimes thinks about it. G is for G-Wagon, boxy, but make it luxury. Drives like a tank, priced like a palace. H is for Honda, never complains, just keeps going. Even your grandkids might drive it. I is for Isuzu, truck vibes all day, carries more load than your life stress. J is for Jeep, ready for mountains, mud, and selfies. Looks cooler than it actually drives. K is for Kia, budget friendly, surprisingly fancy, glow up of the century. L is for Lamborghini, too fast to read this line. Neighbors suddenly become fans. M is for Mercedes, luxury that whispers, you made it, even speed feels classy here. M is for Nissan, simple, reliable, gets the job done. Not flashy, but never flaky. O is for Opel, rare but still rolling, like that one quiet friend who's solid. P is for Porsche, small car, big flex, speed meets style like a boss. Q is for quad bike, four wheels, double the fun. Basically chaos with an engine. R is for Rolls Royce, silence so smooth, you hear your thoughts, costs more than your dreams. S is for Suzuki, affordable and everywhere, your daily ride or your first love. T is for Toyota, will outlive you no doubt, starts even after the apocalypse. U is for Ural, old school cool, with a sidecar, looks like history on wheels. V is for Volvo, safety first, on wheels, even accidents feel polite. W is for wagon, big space, big family vibes, carries luggage and life stories. X is for XUV, bold looks, road presence strong, feels like a mini monster truck. Y is for Yamaha, two wheels, full thrill, your heart races before the engine does. Z is for Zen, small car, big memories, old but gold forever. If you want, I can make it shorter, more childish, or even funnier loud.